Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. So today I'm going to show you how to move content you've added to your Dropbox out of your Dropbox and into your own categories to make them your own content. To access your Dropbox, click on the box arrow icon in the upper right part of the screen. Once there, you will be able to see everything you've added to your Dropbox as individual items. Then you have the option of either viewing links, which is the content you've added from outside of itza.tv using the Dropbox Plus button, and we'll have the group name Dropbox Add inside the item box. Or you can click the contributor button, which will show you the content you've added to your Dropbox directly off of itza.tv, which then shows your group name in the item box. And remember that clicking on the item box will take you to that content at any time. This is helpful if you want to look at the content again to help you add a detailed description or your opinion, or just come up with additional keywords. Now you have two options on what you can do with this content. You can choose to move it into your categories or delete it. First, you have to choose an item by clicking on the box next to it. Once you've done that, go back to the Manage and click Move to New Category. On this page, you can now click this top button to view the item, and moving down, you then either manually add part of the name of a category you've already created to filter down to choose it, or you can just immediately choose from all your existing categories. In this case, I'm going to type Vote to filter down to a voting specific category that I've already made. Once you've made your choice, just hit Submit. You will then be given a choice to make more specific edits to this Dropbox item, or you have the choice to send it as is to your category and go back to the Dropbox to edit more of your Dropbox items. I'm going to go the route of making more specific edits. It's just a matter of editing the item to make it your own and different from the original. So add keywords relating to the content so it's easy to find, add a short description or opinion, put in area information if that's relevant, and then choose if you want this item to show up publicly on the Itza homepage or privately on your account before hitting Submit. You'll then be taken to your favorites page for the category you submitted the item to, so you can view what you've submitted into it thus far. This has been a walkthrough and tutorial video on how to send content from your Dropbox into your categories.